Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how to read your rank promotion scoreboard at a glance so that you can identify what rank that you're currently at right now, and then also show you how to identify the next rank that you're striving to achieve and how to achieve that. So in order for you to be able to reach this page that you see right here in front of you, you simply have to log into your back office. What you see here is the home page. So as you can see right here in front of you, this is the rank promotion scoreboard at a glance, and it's a way for you to be able to identify where you are at currently right now and what's the next rank that you're striving to achieve. This pretty much means that you are currently a brand partner. You're not at the rank of icon yet, and that's because this account that you see right in front of you is an account that just got created. This shows you here that you can toggle the month all the way back from inception to the current month that you're in right now. In this case, at the time of recording this video, we are in the month of August of 2022. So you can see here it's defaulted at the current month of August. The next tab shows you all the ranks within Elomir, but it's defaulted at the next rank that you are striving to achieve. So in this case, in order for you to reach the rank of icon, these 5 different meters needs to be met to 100% completion. Currently right now, it says right here that is brand partner, which means that this account is currently a brand partner. This is easily defaulted at 100% for everybody. Second part is it says is commissionable, which means that this account here is eligible to earn commissions. The great thing about Elomir is that all retail commissions as well as 15% fast start bonuses are paid out weekly without meeting the PV requirement. All weekly commissions are paid out to you every single week as long as these two right here are actually showing 100%. To earn monthly commissions, you need to meet the PV requirement. To reach the rank of icon, you need 65, and this account right here currently only has 45. In order for you to be able to meet this 65 right here, you can do one of few ways. Number one, you can purchase more product, or you can actually sell enrolled customers, and that also adds towards your PV as well. You can do a combination of both. The fourth one is personal enrolled active brand partner. The definition of an active brand partner is a brand partner that maintains an active PV requirement of 65. When they do meet one active brand partner, this will also show 100%. Finally, OV capped at 180 per leg. This right here shows you need a total of 300 organizational volume, and the definition of organizational volume is all the volume that is actually placed or sponsored that is underneath you, whether you personally enrolled them or it's actually generated through your team or even people that has actually placed them underneath you. All of that volume counts towards OV. So in this case, in order for you to reach the rank of icon, you need 300 OV. This particular person right here currently has 45. Your own personal orders also counts towards OV as well. Depending on your rank, you can count between 50 to 60% of your own personal volume towards your OV requirement. So in this case, in order for this person to achieve the rank of icon, they need 300. You just simply subtract 45 out of 300 and they're missing 255. Now the most you can count is 180 per leg, and you yourself is counted as a leg as well. So whatever you sell, whatever you buy, that counts maximum 180 out of 300. Now let's go ahead and show you a more advanced account so that you can see someone who's actually striving for either icon 3, 4, or 5 and working hard to reach the 3x bonus their first month. So now we're looking at another account, and this particular brand partner has already achieved the rank of icon 3. And you'll notice that it says right here highest rank is icon, and the reason why is because they have not closed the month yet. This brand partner is still brand new, and so they are currently at icon because they haven't closed out the month yet. But once they do, whatever their highest rank that they have achieved at will appear up here, and this will show real time what their current rank is for the month. They are at icon 3 now, and this right here is showing what it takes to reach the rank of icon 4. And as you can see here, this is at 100%, this is at 100%. They've met the PV requirement. They've also met the personal enrolled active brand partner requirement of 2. The only thing they are missing is the OV. Right now they're at 44.78%, 4,500, no more than 2,250 per leg. They currently are at 2,015. To know what you need left, simply just take 4,500, which is the amount you need, and you subtract 2,015, and what's left over is 2,485 OV. Once you meet that number, you will be at 100%. But remember, you are capped at 2,250. So how can you identify where you can generate this OV? You can go and click on reports, then hover down to frontline OV, and now you're able to see all of your frontline organizational volume right here in front of you, including your own personal sales and orders together. If you add all 3 of these numbers up, it comes out to 2,015, just like I showed you earlier. So remember, the maximum you can count is 2,250, and this particular person has quite a ways to go to be able to meet that number per leg, and so they have a lot of room to be able to reach that goal of Icon 4. And that's pretty much it. That's how you read the rank promotion scoreboard at a glance. Many of you are still trying to learn what it takes to reach ranks. Let me give you a quick idea where to go. You can click on resources, and under resources, you can click on compensation plan. Once you open it up, you can scroll down to the second to the last page. On this page, you can see the rank requirements and payout summary at a glance. Hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions, reach out to your leadership. Maybe they can actually walk you through and coach you more, but this video is designed to give you an idea of how to read your rank promotion scoreboard, so that way you know exactly where you're at and where you need to go.